Ever feel like your emotions get in the way of work? You're rushing to meet a deadline? Someone's email sets you off. Or maybe you just can't find the motivation today. We've all been there. But here's the truth. Pushing your feelings aside doesn't make them disappear. It just makes them harder to manage. What if instead of fighting your emotions, you learn to understand them and even use them to your advantage? That's what pouring with presence, understanding your emotions at work, is all about. In this short learning capsule, you'll discover how to boost your performance by thinking more clearly, build stronger relationships through empathy, prevent burnout before it starts, and reignite your motivation when work feels heavy. You'll learn to separate feelings from facts, communicate strategically, and turn emotional awareness into a true professional skill. Your emotions aren't the problem. They're powerful signals. When you learn to pour with presence, you don't just react. You respond with clarity, empathy, and confidence. So, are you ready to turn your emotions into your greatest professional asset? Enroll now in Pouring with Presence, Understanding Your Emotions at Work. Available in Talent LMS.